My Naija people don bring Ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some tori wey be say it just happen. Plenty Nigerian business people and workers dem don come dey vex dey complain say because their salary and their business gain money not even reach for them to buy food because of the hardship and cost of living wey dey happen for inside Nigeria. As dem come dey complain say even now say a bag of rice na 77,000 naira. The Confederation of All Progressive Congress Support Group don come dey beg Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar say make dem use their wealth money to take bring out Nigerians out of poverty and unemployment. Say because President Bola Ahmed Tinubu mean well for Nigerians and dem need support am. Dem come out to come yarn dis talk on Saturday wey be February 10th, 2024. The Chief Executive Officer of Access Holding wey im name be Herbert Wigwe and im wife wey be Chizoba, also im son, all of them don come kpayo for inside one helicopter wey be say dem enter as the helicopter come fall crash for inside California, United States of America on Friday, February 9, 2024. Senator Prince Ned Nwoko don come dey vex as im come dey yarn about the ogbonge kidnappers wey go kidnap some passengers wey dey for inside one GO motor as dem come kpai the driver. As Senator Ned Nwoko come dey yarn say na dis kind thing dey make am dey talk say e don reach when Nigeria go put law of self-defense wey be say Nigerians go dey carry gun to defend themselves. So imagine say that driver hold gun or any of the passengers dey hold gun, say e for not easy for the kidnappers to just carry them like that dey go. The operative of Kaduna Zonal Command of Economic and Financial Crime Commission don arrest 3 people there wey be say they try to dey sell the new naira note as they mistakenly wan go sell and give one EFCC undercover agent, and their name na Musa Gideon, Abdul Saidu Adamu and Justin Musa. Na im dem come arrest 3 of them on Thursday, February 8, 2024 for inside Kaduna. One Mr. Hassan don come post picture of him brother wey im name be Toby Loba aka Toby Wood wey be say dem never see am since how many days and im phone dey off. As im come dey talk say im dey go Mushi police station to go make statement, say because im brother bin tell am say he wan go Mushi to go buy material when he go use take work. Until now dem never really see am. Come dey beg Nigerians and say abeg anybody wey be say dem see am say make dem try inform dem. The Vice President of Nigeria wey be Shettima don come dey encourage Super Eagles as im come dey tell dem say make dem not feel bad at all say because they try well and they go everly come back stronger for another competition. Come dey talk say because Nigerians celebrate and say because they do well. As im come dey yarn say everybody for inside Nigeria dey proud of them, say because this football wey say they play na they unite Nigeria, no tribe, no religion, everybody just come together to support them. And im yarn this talk after when Nigeria lose to Ivory Coast for the final of African Cup of Nations wey be say they beat Nigeria 2-1.
They rest assured that will come back warring stronger in the next dispensation. They have every cause to celebrate. The nation is proud of you. You are the source of our national unity. It's when the Super Eagle plays. No race, no region, no religion.
34-year-old Zimbabwean woman, Ikolaba police don arrest her say because she chook her husband, the girlfriend, take by after we say catch the girl with her husband, wey 2 of them dey knack bcos for inside her matrimonial house. And this gbege happen for inside Gweru Nkoba village on Saturday, February 10th, 2024. One man from top of this video don come dey provoke dey tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu saying support am during the presidential election, and also im tell all im children, im wife, students and im friends dem say dem must vote for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Say but now Yoruba man don become president now, say things don come even hard for everybody wey dey for inside Nigeria. As im come dey talk say all the people wey dey make things dey hard well for inside Nigeria, say e no go better for all of them all. Come dey talk say e no dey fear, say they wan arrest am, say im dey ready make dem come arrest am, say because him dey stay for Ikare for Oyo State and im no dey fear any arrest.
Báàgì rice ti di 70,000 àbọ̀ rice ti di 25 kò ní yẹ ìkàyẹ pàtàkì yín.
Ogbonge fire don come happen for Ikate Lekki area on Sunday night, February 11, 2024, but we never really know wetin cause this fire or anybody kpufuma or wunjure on top this fire gbege. One American woman wey her name be Maria Thomas, 26 years old, they don charge her take go court say because she go cook her newborn baby until wey the baby come kpufuma and the baby na 1 month old. Her name na Zaria May. the neighbors then they go call about police say make they come arrest her because of wetin dey happen, and on Friday February 8, 2024 9 police arrest her. The Hungary first female president, one name be Kathleen Novak, 46 years old. She don resign after wey people come fire bad mouth to take give her, say because she go free one man wey be say caught to jail, say because the man go dey cover up sexual abuse for inside children home, and this gbege happen on Saturday February 9, 2024. 9 she resign.
Az értékeket nagyszüleinktől, szüleinktől kaptuk, és gyerekeinknek, unokáinknak szeretnénk továbbadni. Hoztam egy olyan kegyelmi döntést, mely sokakban értetlenséget és békétlenséget váltott ki.
For top the African Cup of Nations, CAF Docker award Trust Ekong as the best AFCON player, and the South African goalkeeper will be Rowan Williams as the best AFCON goalkeeper, and Emilio Nso as the AFCON goal scorer. For on top this video, we say that see this Nigerian man wey dey vex come dey scatter in television with him friends them after we Super Eagles lose the AFCON match against Ivory Coast, will be the final match on Sunday, February 11, 2024.
God know the war, bro. God know the war.
Now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.